I'm Dr. Varsha Panjwani and I teach Shakespeare courses at Fordham London. When most people come to Shakespeare, they are thinking about, an old, balding, middle-aged, historical costumed guy who is on a pedestal and is not relevant to their lives. But that is not how we teach Shakespeare here. We talk about how Shakespeare is making an appearance in social justice issues, in issues about gender that are happening today. So I think my focus always is on what Shakespeare can do for us and has done for us, and how we can shape Shakespeare to talk about what is important for us today. The one thing that I really want my students to get from my course is that anyone can own Shakespeare and can harness the cultural power that Shakespeare provides for bringing Shakespeare back to their communities.